Welcome and study with Tanzania Institute of Education.
Water dissolves many mineral substances. Urban water treatment mainly removes bacteria and suspended solid materials. The dissolved substances, which are usually harmless, and some may be beneficial in drinking water. Some industrial processes require water which is completely free from dissolved substances. Water is said to be hard if it contains dissolved salts of particular kinds. Since not all dissolved salts will make water hard, it is important to differentiate substances which causes water to be hard, since hard water may cause wastage of soap during washing of clothes. Aim of this experiment: to demonstrate the causes of hardness in water and how to remove it. Requirements: apparatus: 7 beakers, 9 test tubes, 2 test tube rack, 3 measuring cylinder. Different salt solution: soap solution. In this experiment, we shall use these chemicals: 0.5 molar sodium chloride, 0.5 molar calcium chloride, 0.5 molar calcium sulfate, 0.5 molar magnesium sulfate, 0.5 molar calcium hydrogen carbonate, 0.5 molar sodium carbonate, and soap solution. Procedure: take a test tube A, put small amount of sodium chloride solution prepared, and then add small amount of a soap solution. Check if it will form leather or not. So leather is formed, and then let us wait for other observation. Take test tube B, add small amount of calcium chloride solution prepared, followed by small amount of soap solution prepared, and then check if there is leather formed or not. There is no leather. Now let us put aside to check what will happen. Let's take the test tube C, puts little amount of calcium sulfate prepared, followed by little amount of soap solution prepared. Then check if we can produce leather or not. No leather produced. Let us put to the test break to check what will happen. Test tube D, put small amount of magnesium sulfate, followed by soap solution. Check if the leather will be formed or not. There is no leather formed. Let us put to the test break to check. Then let us put, this is test tube E. Let us put calcium carbonate solution, followed by soap solution prepared, and then shake. Now, from these 5 test tubes in the test break here, we have observed that in the first test tube, leather is formed, and this first test tube A contains sodium chloride. Therefore, sodium ion, which is present in the sodium chloride solution, do not affect the water, therefore do not cause the hardness of water. The other 4 test tubes, which contain soluble calcium ion or magnesium ion, the scum is formed. Scum, that is solid substances, which is due to the formation of calcium stearate or magnesium stearate, which is the unites between calcium ion and part of the soap present, sodium stearate present in the sodium stearate, which is a normal salt. Soap solution, which is sodium stearate, combined with magnesium sulfate solution to form magnesium stearate, which is scum, and sodium sulfate solution. And that is the results in our test tube. Or sodium stearate, which is soap solution combined with calcium chloride solution to form calcium stearate, which is scum, we have seen in those test tubes. The same when we use calcium hydrogen carbonate, which form soluble calcium, form calcium stearates, and which is scum, and soluble sodium hydrogen carbonate solution. Hardness of water is due to the presence of calcium ion or magnesium ion, which react with soap to form insoluble substance called scum. Requirements. Apparatus: 5 beakers, 3 test tubes, test tube rack, source of heat. Chemicals: 0.5 molar calcium sulfate, 0.5 molar magnesium sulfate, 0.5 molar calcium hydrogen carbonate. Soap solution and distilled water procedure. Take test tube G, add fill amount of prepared calcium sulfate. In this experiment, after pouring the solution of calcium sulfate, boil a little bit. Okay, our solution boiled, and then we need to cool so as to continue the experiment using a cooled solution. Add soap solution. Shake and observe. Even after boiling, no leather formed. Take test tube G. Pour magnesium sulfate solution. Again, boil it. Solution boil, then allow it to cool. Add soap solution. Shake. Again, even if after boiling, no leather is formed. Take test tube H, pour calcium hydrogen carbonate solution. During boiling, there is a very little precipitation of white substance. Cool this. Let us add soap solution. Shake. Now, the leather is formed after boiling the calcium hydrogen carbonate solution. During heating, the calcium hydrogen carbonate in the solution decompose to form calcium carbonate solid, water, and carbon dioxide gas. From this equation, soluble calcium ion present in calcium hydrogen carbonate is converted to insoluble calcium carbonate, and the water remains free from calcium ion, and that's why it forms leather after boiling it. Temporary hardness of water can be removed simply by boiling water. Take calcium sulfate solution, pour calcium sulfate in test tube I, and then followed by sodium carbonate solution. The white precipitate of calcium carbonate form. We can leave this in the test blood so as it will settle. After a few minutes, it will settle. And then decant to another test tube. Add soap solution. Shake. Now, the calcium sulfate solution at the first did not form leather with soap. Now form leather with soap after reacting with sodium carbonate. In this reaction, calcium ion, which is present in calcium sulfate, react with carbonate ion present in sodium carbonate to form insoluble calcium carbonate. Permanent hardness of water can be removed chemically by adding soluble carbonate, for example, sodium carbonate.
Let's study, be educated.